Please make room for all behind you. Hurry now. Please stand away from the walls in the center of the room. Hello and welcome, beloved listeners. You must be so excited to finally meet me. Of course, I am Dr. Diabolical, the creator of the only product in the world of its kind. Dr. Diabolical's fountain of youth elixir. I know you are anxious to receive your sacred.
Oh, really?
I promise a few short moments away. And while we prepare the samples in the next room, prepare yourselves for newfound youth. Tell our guests what my elixir promises to do. Dr. Diabolical's elixir promises to deliver absolutely magical results.
Absolutely devastating results. Please leave while you can.
Each sample of the elixir is curated by Dr. Diabolical to uniquely treat each individual need.
You are all in grave danger. Please heed my warnings. Leave this place or it will be too late.
Move forward through the corridor. You will receive your elixir sample and your instantaneous results. Quickly now, there's no time to waste.
Keep moving. Move to the center of the room. You must stand under the extractor. It's located above your head. Hurry. Move quickly.
Hello again, my foolish puppets. I wanted to let you all in on a little secret. The real reason you are all here. My extraction machine! Confused? Oh, you thought there was actually a miracle elixir? How sweet. There is an elixir, of sorts. This tortuous extraction device will rip your fear and adrenaline from you bit by bit. Your fear will feed my army of ravenous creatures. Robots, turn on the machine. My machine! You fools! You broke my precious machine!
Now's your chance. You must leave at once. The extractor mechanism is malfunctioning. It appears to be broken.
No matter. The new, bigger extractor machine is ready for testing. What lies ahead will do the job of 100 extraction machines. Fear not. Actually, go ahead. Fear. Give in to the terror. Give in to
All right.
I'm so used to being on the end. What's that like
Oh.
creatures need your adrenaline to live. Scream in terror for me. I need it. Your fear gives me life. That's not enough. Not nearly enough. Scream!
Please unbuckle your seatbelt. When the train comes to a complete stop, push up all the restraint and exit towards your left. Don't forget to pick up lucky lockers. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas.